Use the right tools to apply makeup. The trick in applying makeup correctly is in using the right tools. The right applicators will make the makeup glide on the skin more smoothly and help you achieve a more natural look. Almost all makeup comes sold and pre-packaged with an included applicator. However, if you really want to get the best results, it's a good idea to invest in a separate makeup brush and applicator set. Here's how to use the right tools to apply makeup. Invest in the best brushes you can afford. Most makeup is sold with its own applicators. However, do like the professionals and invest in a good set of makeup brushes. A basic set will have a thick blush brush, at least 2 eyeshadow brushes of various thicknesses, a lip brush and a loose powder brush. Decide if you want a natural or synthetic bristle. Although a natural bristle brush feels more luxurious and is sturdier than the synthetic counterparts. Use a brush to apply eyeshadow. Many eyeshadow compacts come with a sponge applicator. However, these are oftentimes not very sturdy. If you want to be able to blend more properly, use a soft hair bristle brush. Dip the clean brush in the pot of color and do a few swipes to get an ample amount of product. Carefully swipe the brush on your lid, starting from the inner eye and working your way out to the outer corner of your eye. If you are using another color, tap the brush carefully to remove any color pigment and repeat the process. You may use a third brush for blending. Have a supply of disposable makeup wedges and sponges. To apply foundation, you need a soft makeup sponge or wedge. These are readily available in multi-packs. Wet a corner of the sponge or wedge and carefully dip it in the cake foundation or pour a bit of liquid foundation on it. Gently dab it on your skin starting on the T-zone and working your way to the cheeks. Use smooth circular motions and long strokes and blend properly. Use a lip brush for more control when applying lipstick. Most women apply lipstick directly from the tube. However, if you want to create a fuller lip, or you are working with a dramatic lip color that must be applied perfectly, you need a lip brush. Point the tip of the lip brush on the lipstick and get a bit of the product on the brush. Carefully line your lips with the brush. You can easily create contours using the lip brush. Start with the upper lip, then do the lower lip, using short wispy movements. Store your applicators properly. Part of using your makeup applicators is knowing how to care for it. After use, rinse your makeup wedge or sponge and allow to air dry. This will prevent the growth of bacteria. For your brushes, get a small basin and put a drop of baby shampoo in with some water. Soak the bristles in the water and rinse thoroughly. Tap the brushes to remove the excess water. For the lipstick brush, saturate a tissue with makeup remover to remove the old lipstick on the brush. Store the brushes in an upright position or in the special case. Dry the brushes thoroughly before storing. If you take care of your applicators properly, you'll be able to use it for a long time.